you go, whoop, whoop.
I don't smoke marijuana, so for me, this is a big deal. Like, I'm scared to do it, but I gotta look cool, because, you know, the girls don't need to see me bitch out. Like, I gotta smoke this act like I can handle it.
Mama do that belly dance. We be puffin' smelly pants.
My lungs is hurting. They're getting tender. Something ain't right. No, for real, I don't want to drink. I don't know. Do you guys, can you breathe? No, for real, Johnny, can you breathe? No, for real. I don't want no more. I'm good.